Hi, I'm Stu from Durable. In this video, I'm going to give you a run through on how to set up our new blog agent. Blogs are a really good way for content to be created automatically for your website, which really hits key phrases and keywords that help you get found online. To begin, we want to head over to our blog agent on the left-hand side of your Durable's dashboard. This will start the blog agent. You'll see here it's asking us to choose some topics which we want to focus on. These may all be applicable, or there may be ones you haven't thought about. You can select each that you wish to have set, as seen here. Of course, if any of these you do not feel are applicable, you can simply leave them unchecked. This is teaching the AI what to generate content on. At this point, you'll be able to select the tone you want to speak in. Whether you want it to be professional, casual, friendly, or authoritative, the choice is up to you. I'm going to choose professional. It will then give you some suggestions on creating your first blog post. If any of these look like something you would like to create, simply click on the one. This will then perform some analysis to make sure it fills it with great content. Once the research is complete, it will go ahead and create your first blog post. When the blog post is created, it will be created in a draft state. You will be able to preview this in a moment. However, you will notice we also set up the option for automatic blog posting. We default this to once a week, but if you wish to have this more frequent, like twice a week or even daily, you can select the options here. For now, we'll leave it set as weekly. Now we can preview the blog that has been created initially by clicking the preview button. Here, you can check the content, make any changes you wish by clicking on the images or the text. However, if you are happy with what the content shows, you can head over to publish in the top right. This automatically then offers to create you a blog page with navigation. We recommend having navigation in the header, but you can also add it to the footer if you wish, by simply ticking the option. Then click Add Blog Link. Once that is done, click the option to go to website, so you can make sure that you publish the changes to your live site. You'll see there's a blog page now at the top of the live website. When you navigate here, you'll see your first blog post. Heading back to the blog agent in your dashboard, you can check the settings that are in place for your automation by going to the blog option. This shows that the blog agent is active. Whether or not we are set to auto-publish, what that means is currently it will create a blog post once a week, but it will be in draft, which means I will need to come in and check the content before hitting publish. If you wish us to completely automate this for you, simply hit the auto-publish option. This will mean the blog post will get created and post straight to your website without you having to do anything. You can then update the frequency if you wish to, the tone, and also see the topics that have been added. You can add additional ones manually by typing them in here. And that's all that's needed to get your website updating frequently with blog posts, with keywords that help you get found online. If you have any issues or concerns, do not hesitate to reach out to us, and we really look forward to seeing the blog posts that you generate.